guys. Okay, we're doing my favourite, second favourite, which is White Lily and Persimmon. It's one of these ones that sets off that whatever that thing is that I have that makes me smell textures. It smells like, I mean, it's a beautiful smell, but it's got, I smell it and I can feel in my fingers the texture of peaches. Peaches are the fuzzy ones, yeah? Yeah, well, if peaches are the fuzzy ones, I smell that and I can feel it in between my fingers. It's kind of weird. Anyway, so right, so the two colours, I have two oranges. I have tan jello in this one from my Mica Obsession. In this one I have what was left of this tangerine, which somebody gave me, I can't bloody remember who. And a bit of Tuscan Sun from my Mica Obsession, just to make this like this super happy orange, which is this lovely colour. So yeah, and I'm just gonna, I was thinking I might just do a drop swirl or in the pot swirl, we'll see what happens. This already has my lye in it, so I'm gonna give this a whiz now and then we'll get stuck in. Okay, again, another one that's just, it's just barely emulsified, but I want to give these a stick blend, so I will, I only wanted it just mixed enough so it was holding together. So I guess it's emulsified, you know, if that's the case. Yeah, I should stop talking. I'm going to put some white in here. Give it another quick mix to make sure the white is all incorporated. Alright. And then I will give these a hand mix just to get them relatively mixed in there. I think this is going to be very nice. And these oranges are definitely different enough. I mean, especially this is a beautiful colour. Yeah, but that's a tangerine from Aussie Soap Supplies. It's quite like orange pop in its colour from my Mica Obsession, but like I said, I've put a bit of Tuscan Sun in this, so it's sort of brought it back down to that real sort of sunny, happy place. So yeah, alright. Oh, I love this fragrance so much. I can't even tell you how much I love it because I just don't have the words for how much I love it. I was so glad when this bottle came in. I've ordered a big bottle, but because of the bushfires, all the orders are just so slow at the moment, which, you know, I mean, people's lives and their livelihoods and their, you know, their houses and that is way more important than me making a soap, so I'm not actually complaining too much. If the roads are cut because of fires, well, the roads are cut because of fires. So, but, you know, I'll definitely be making a lot more soap with this. I don't know why, but for some reason I feel like this soap should be purple. I don't know. Persimmons, as far as I know, are like an orange thing, aren't they? I don't even know. White lilies, as far as I know, are white, but it smells purple to me. So, I know, I'm a weirdo. I'm a weirdo. Now, I don't remember how this behaves. How do you behave? You as a ricey bitch. You ricey bitch. You ricey bitch. Right. Fine. Fine. You ricey bitch. Bloody soap. That's fine. It's all fine. I will just do what I have to do, which is not get two of them. Bloody soap. Ooh. Setting up a little bit too. Okay, so smudging in there and a smudging in there and a bit more of a smidgen in there, and then we'll mix the shit out of it. Alright. Okay, so because this has thickened a little, I might do an in the pot swirl, which is perfectly fine because I was kind of thinking of doing that anyway, so I'll leave a bit in there, leave a bit in there, pour some off in here. Just slow. because it has a tendency to go outside the things. Alright, now this one I'm going to pour reasonably fast. You can see that's still ricey down in the bottom. See that? So, I mean, it's not, it won't hurt the soap. It's just bloody frustrating because you can see it in the final soap. So, anyway, there is very little I can do about it now. I just probably should have mixed it a bit more. Now I know, I will actually write that down on this piece of paper I have next to me, and I'll remember that it's that it rises and sets up a little bit. So, bloody thing. Oh well, yeah, it's always the way, isn't it? Well, no, it's not. I was going to say all the fragrances I love misbehave, but they don't. Because my favourite, Floral Musk, is beautifully behaved. Look at that, I can bring down on the bench and it doesn't even bother you guys. You're tied up on the wall. Literally. Okie dokie. So I'm going to put some of this down here like this. Oh, I'm powering through these soaps today. I'm not sure what's come over me, but probably just want to go home. I've had enough. Had enough a week of this 9 to 5 bullshit. Listen, I'm not made for it, people. I tell you, I'm really not. If I had to hear that alarm again in the morning, I'd probably smash it. 5 days is enough. Odd noise. Sounds like someone's using a power tool out the back. Maybe they are. It certainly sounds like a drop saw or some sort of power saw. Either that or someone's got a really wrecked car. Okay, so what I'm thinking, if I can get those to sit down, I'll do a little infinity swirl through them. Yep, they're kind of flat enough, I think. Chopsticks. Ugh, I've only got timber ones, but we'll have to do. Yeah, get in underneath there so you can see. Not in infinity, I'm just going to do a backwards and forwards one. There you go, how nice is that? Actually, I have some new orange glitter that I haven't opened yet because I don't have any containers. I might actually put some of that on here. Amanda must have laughed when she saw my order because it was like a bunch of micas, but you know, 3/4 of it was glitter. Okay, so we have Jaffa and apricot. I think, wow, actually I think I could put that on one side and that on the other. Alright, let's do that. And yes, I have gloves on. It's because my hands already stink like bloody watermelon and I'm sick of them stinking like stuff when I'm trying to eat food. So, and yes, as usual I'm stressed and have chewed my fingernails, which is, I mean chewed the skin off the sides of my nails, which is nothing new. Probably too much information, but you know what? You got it anyway. I'm not going to do the paintbrush thingy because it's just easier just to do it with a spoon, considering the air is going everywhere. Oh, this is a lovely glitter, guys. This one is Jaffa, which, you know, I thought Jaffa would be darker. I would have thought that would have been the other way around. Oops. Oh, right. Ooh, probably should do some on the Charmain. But yes, that's lovely. I like that. And this one is apricot, which is definitely darker. You can see how much darker it is. Alright, so I have a squeeze. Open! I hate these bags. Not just Amanda's bags, any of them. I hate them all. Yeah, it's hard to tell if it's actually darker, isn't it? Because this side's darker anyway. So yeah, I did this White Lily and Persimmon second because I figured I'd probably get the shits after about 4 soaps and not want to do any more. So I figured if I only did a couple, I would at least get this one done. I might actually do the pink lychee one next because I think 3 might be my limit. I think I'm ready to go home. I didn't put any on there, did I? Damn it. Damn it all to hell. Sheesh. I forgot. Let's just put it all on there. Let's just put it all on there. All of it. Yes. Yes. Lovely that so much. Alright guys. I will bring you back for the cutting. Oh crap. That means I'm going to have to come down to the friggin' shop tomorrow. I wonder what would happen if I left my soaps to cut until Tuesday. Probably not a good idea considering it's Saturday. Interested I am. Oh my god, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Hello. How lovely does this look? The colours are just so nice. That orange, both the oranges, they're just so lovely. I really, really like this colour. No, and if I do that, that thing's gonna hit. Get back up again. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's so nice. It's got like big bits and wispy bits. Little wispy bits up here. How nice is that? So, there you go. That's really nice. What's this? Oh, this is the White Lily and Persimmon. This was the one I was worried about, wasn't I? Because it riced. Looked like it had riced after I put it in. Oh no, it riced before I put it in. There's a little bit of titanium there that wasn't fully mixed. It looks fine. It's got no fragrance leakage anywhere. It doesn't have any big lumps of fragrance that I'm seeing. Like you can see there's little dots here, but certainly nothing worth worrying about. Like, I mean, it's not even aesthetically wrecking the soap. It's just like, you wouldn't notice them unless you were looking for them. This is really cool. No, this has come up really nice, the soap. I like it a lot. I like these colours too. Who knew that just doing 2 oranges like together like that would just look so nice? I'm pretty happy with that. We all do that, don't we, soapers? When we see that edge and we're like, oh shit. Just get rid of that edge. Oh dear, it's too funny. So yeah, so I came down, it's Sunday today. It's been about 24 hours since I made these soaps. I thought I better come down and cut them. I thought, oh, while I'm down there I might do some resin work. Why not? It's my day off. Well, I've had some time off now. I had a really good night's sleep. And I didn't even take my sleeping pill, guys. I was so tired. I was like, I do not need that sleeping pill. I will save that for another day. So I'm hoarding that one sleeping pill. It's so sad, isn't it? It's just, like, I dream a lot and I have the stupidest dreams. Like, you know, and sometimes they're so vivid that I will have memories and I will have to figure out if they were dreams or if they were real, which is, you know, that's kind of losing touch with reality a little bit, which terrifies me, I've got to admit. But yes, and I have like crazy dreams and I'm always trying to figure out what they mean, and you know, they probably don't mean anything, but you know, when you dream some of the weird shit like I do, you got to wonder. Alright, Smell me, you little poop. Sometimes leaving them in here this long is bad, because if you leave soap in silicone for too long, it can get really sticky. These are not. These are beautiful. So there's my little smell me. So it's quite matchy, I think. So yeah. All right. I'll see you for the next one. Bye.